on his service being placed at the disposal of the District Council Affairs Department by so-and-so number dated 15 October, Sri Vaibor Agarwal, IAS Deputy Commissioner West Garo Hills, shall also function as Principal Secretary Garo Hills District Council from the date of taking over charge and following orders. Wah, mbok, tinggali wapun. Wah, paya mendapat yang ketika tulak wong sarkar bukan di sau Principal Secretary. Apa yang sarkar Principal Secretary opet belum ka manubisi yang mannya apa council. Dan kami di bidang ika ketom pekerjaan pelaikan autonomi council member. Bobo jema dia kata kamu bidang. Jika ada yo untuk saya, kami council bidang teman kami. Iwan kata orang ini tahu kok emotion untuk kawan-kawan orang yang bidang ni percaya kan. Mereka menengkong cua kawan ni mengenal house. Emi, right, hok, yo ejing che, wa kiji jing lain ti yang isi, kiji jing lain ti yang state government, kiji proposal yang state government, kiji condition pokok dari yang state committee, bening apa yang nama, wa kani, decision ko cimi, ini to weni, ejing to wa kani pediang yang kini dokom berlaikan kami, kini create a lasting impact ko coba cemat. Ni bentai man council ye man go pa apa ye go man dak kok dok kata ya kating man go por dengan ni council lo dem empor ko ani kiwi state kiwi giri bacala dak kecura ye kun gi pon du kwa ni fifth schedule ye kun yo ga ni ka sixth schedule okey ye kwa ni okey council autonomous council handrai watin yi go yo kat ni la de jing la yang ini the boy do jani kapor the bo jingma la ami boy jingha la yu and they have prokat pai so chin decision ka the decision of chin tu on step right diam dari karo ongi betenya anga uya apa wi yang isi ka ini harus tu government ten rap chin bobu gi bos ipi andre agani bentang skema hak yin kan tegi embassy lagi ang ikpat yang ngadi gente health council da halor yang emotion ro lesa ka ini for house to discuss ni the am ka ni ko ngasnya so participate ni participate ya cok nongkong ko ayo menche clarity hak jing lain yang state government jing lain council common nanti hagani ini ya bi kelam ini kamu ya kelampi ini proposal yang state, ini proposal yang council. Itu kamu mana cara harus kamu apa ini yang deputy commissioner atau principal secretary, apa nak ni itu council orang atau secretary isi. Kalau emang so principal secretary, nak side dan government kamu nyaman, itu. Itu tahu buat ini motion orang ini kok house ini, table kan ni, yo discuss itu kor yo saja benci. Now, Honorable CM,
I would like to highlight some points in this August House. So, in his statement dated 25 August 2025, as appeared in some section of the media, share the government's decision that the coming number past 25, the government of Meghalaya will be paying the salary for the different autonomous councils in the state. The circumstances which lead the government to take such decision, as stated by the Honorable Chief Minister in his statement, are: number one, huge deficiency and gap between revenue and expenditure prevailing in the Garo Hills Autonomous Council and the Jainte Hills Autonomous Council, and to some extent in the Khasi Hills Autonomous Council. The three autonomous councils are important institutions and are also a symbol of the culture and tradition in the state. To the government, it is absolutely necessary to ensure that not only should the council work properly, but they also try and ensure that different aspects of traditions and culture and different aspects of landholding are taken care of. Once the salaries are paid by the state, the Autonomous District Council can focus on the different areas of concern, development aspect, and different aspects of tradition and culture. The Chief Minister further stated that to ensure that the government decision is implemented in a proper manner, a committee constituted by the government will engage with all the Autonomous District Council to work out the procedure. The Chief Minister also assured that, number one, there will be no interference in the day-to-day functioning nor in the jurisdiction of the District Council. Number two, the state government intention is only to bring financial stability and a proper system so that the council are able to pay salary on time and they can continue to function and work as per the mandate of the Constitution. Constitution of the subcommittee to consult with the Autonomous District Council. The following the statement of the Chief Minister and the Cabinet decision on the 26th August, the state government via order number DCA 27/2024/22 dated 8 September 2025 has constituted a subcommittee to engage with the Jainte Hill District Council on the issue of payment of salaries of the staff of the council. Observation of the Executive Committee. Number one, revenue and expenditure. It may be pointed out that as per the actual of 2023 and 24, revenue received total of rupees 97.14 crore only, of which 85.11 crore was from share of royalty on major and minor mineral and share of taxes on motor vehicle, whereas the actual revenue expenditure of 23 and 24 total to 113.20 crore. Thus, salaries and pension expenditure constitute about 84.20% of each expenditure. Financial hardship faced by the Jihadis. As per the actual of 23 and 24, the gap between revenue received and revenue expenditure is a substantial amount of rupees 16.56 crore. Further, in absence of an efficient system for timely and regular release of the share of royalty on major and minor mineral and share on tax on motor vehicles due to the council, necessary for payment of monthly committed expenditure on salaries and pension. Not only that, the council is facing acute financial hardship. The employees, the pensioners of the council and their children are negatively impacted in their day-to-day life, including livelihood challenge due to inability to secure adequate resources and opportunity to maintain well-being and meet the basic needs. Number 3, offer of the state government. With regard to the offer of the state government for payment of the salaries of the council employees, along with the assurance given by the Honorable Chief Minister to not to interfere with the power and function of the district council, and the council sincerely appreciate the gracious intention of the state government. Number 2, decision of the Jaintia Hill Autonomous District Council on the affair of the state government. After considering all aspects, that is, the affair of the state government, with the assurance that there will be no interference in the day-to-day functioning nor into the jurisdiction of the district council. Number 2, the acute financial constraints faced by the council, the delay in releasing of share on royalty, etc., and with high hope that when the affair of the state government is materialized, the council would be in a better position to bring about a positive impact in the maintenance and upgradation of the asset of the council, including upgradation of the standard of the administration, increase and expand the scope of revenue generation, and eventually achieve a financial stability. The STIP committee has taken a decision to accept the aforesaid offer with a certain condition. Accordingly, a proposal of the detailed framework necessary to implement a state government decision has been submitted to the subcommittee constituted on this behalf. Those proposals include submitted by the executive committee. Number 1, that the existing mandate and powers of the Autonomous District Council as empowered under the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India shall not be infringed upon or dilute whatsoever. Number 2, that the affair of the state government to pay the salary to the employees of the council shall continue till such time the council achieves financial stability. Number 3, that the affair of the state government to pay the salary shall include both the expenditure component, namely salary and pensions. Number 4, that for the initial phase covering the backlog period of salary and pension payment yet to be paid, including for the financial year 25-26 and also for 26-27, the funding of the state government be entirely 100% without any adjustment from the dues of the council on account of share of royalty on major and minor mineral and share of tax on motor vehicles. Number 5, thereafter, the percentage of funding may be revised downwardly and gradually in doses over a certain period of time, but not exceeding 50% of the share of royalty on major and minor mineral, unless the size of the same share of royalty increases to more than 200% of the present revenue. Number 6, that after a situation arises when the share of royalty on major and minor minerals increase to the level of 200% over the present revenue, the funding of the state government may be reduced to 0%. Number 7, the matter of regulating the service of council employees and related administrative matters shall be remain unchanged. Number 8, the preparation of salary and pension bills, including the payment thereof, rests with the council, and likewise all audit-related matters thereof. Number 9, that whenever there is likely to be an additional requirement of funds on account of annual increment, which usually take place in the month of January or July, and on account of promotion, etc., the council shall submit a proposal along with an estimate thereof to the District Council Affairs Department with a copy to the District Treasury. Number 10, that for every such monthly release of funds, the DCA department shall convey to the HAB the component of grant in aid, share of royalty on non-major mineral, and share of taxes on motor vehicles for proper accounting in the book of accounts and the council and for audit purpose. The executive committee also proposed that after the state government consider and agree to all those proposals submitted by the JHA, an agreement governing all the action points specified in the proposal be executed between the state government and the JHA. The executive committee proposed that for the agreement to be binding and lawful, the state government may formulate and introduce a finance bill in the state legislature to culminate in a finance act of the state. Gentlemen, sir, these are the proposals as I have read now. The proposal submitted by the executive committee. So I think the honorable member who bring, all these proposals we have already submitted through that committee constituted by the state government. So only this clarification and summation.
Jadi ini the meeting yang awak baca, ini committee, the committee ini ya, ini kita cakap, kita pilih committee ni ki MDC nama, tak nama ki berugi dengan para committee kita ini.
Mr. Chairman, sir, ini committee untuk di committee juga Naga Council, ini committee manggilan ni chairman tu DC yang ke West Interior, secretary ke Kong Belak Magistrate, jadi members yang dari komiti mandi Sri Marco Surong Advocate, and Sri D. Lendo, Professor and Principal Chapung College, and Sri Peter Sawian, Richard, and Secretary to the Government of the Khalia of Finance. Kini mandi di membari yang terlihat subkomiti da konstitusi da state government, the yakin proposal yang but the kod ilam tado submit ini the kod lang di kan di member di si member ye chong lang ki yang kata sim chong pun kong yang ti pada persnya pada ya kelam ya di ka kuat di kata mo persnya ni submit member ini begini komiti to ikan yang kaya Wandra baca state government Jadi do dia bagi dia pelari dalam bayang kita persial government.
National yo di chichu choi wa bang ni komiti ke wa form ni ke isi submit di proposal. Namun hal di poin di condition itu dua kiwa kalam dau bu honorable CMT condition untuk isi boleh submit ini. Kalau kamu orang tadi kemudian di orang kamu tadi orang chief minister lah orang untuk statement non-interference in the day-to-day affair yang sumber di council. Ibu itu, kintian dari bihi, kami dari tumun dia bisi yang west garden semua perspon sekali. Yang kurang memang itu lebih interfere yang tahu apa. Lalu agi macam jo itu iman, kamjo itu macam sekali kan, kis jarap musuh. Kalau itu di poin itu kiwa ada juga kondisi nopo kan itu di so ini sistem arsenal 5-6 spending berat, just 4% of food was state of player saya ini tidak senyap, tidak dalam kamera di council dulu kemana dia berat. Dari itu ni orang ini, tanggup ini require condition tu, ye itu aku di umur untuk ada accept ke state government itu condition ini untuk tidak accept ke hit itu. Baik ni, baik buat itu untuk apa long term, untuk apa long review ini. Tengah kami ada juga, kalau poin yang kaya yang council ini, kami kemen isu ini buat harusnya untuk ketuk kemen non-interference. Ya, orang gaya orang ni saya untuk support council kam wa, jadi kami ni limit yang itu nada affect no moyong. Tengah senyap, itu tu kan orang orang percaya itu, Andre orang percaya, kaduk dia percaya ni tak yang interference autonomy yang council. Tidak ada manusia kaya. Waktu wajo, ikhtiar yang kam tu mandi, Andre, aku harus kita periang na, tunggu guru. Tampil, what is his role? What is he duty yang orang principal secretary dah? Kita akan mencoba ILM ini principal secretary tu di Mantan ini. Ang tu nyerap di secretary. Andre do outside, mana kagor kan orang apa principal secretary juga ini. Secretary obviously the secretary aku buat macam Wan di isi roh dalam chief decision oleh ada file roh open dan lain orang orang dam dia kata. Bahawa point of view appointed dalam MU21 ini dalam MIKA. Ini bagi apa ini ada ini condition dua yang isi dua met dua yang irat council untuk binding ke ini ada pula tanggal ada keputusan yang council mana met keputusan final council tempat dah berkamutan beri relief Mengetul dengan saya yang apa kaya, di kami di port jiwa Tapi kemudian ni ini dia kata ni lengan daily ya kan autonomi ini ke Kongres Kami Council kata ada ini form boy om ni om buat itu ya ulai pe ya selari kan tang kata bu berjimah Tapi orang kata, oh itu yo mantan sekretari yo sup ketika lain telok, yo pun juga telok kan. Andre dalam ronda ofek. Dia kata ngawa, bu itu ini betul istilah. Baik, leman ketik ni kamu telah menentukan ini ke support yang ini, tu kita harap persen ketika yang penting di surau ini, you kemen. Andre, pada amdo guru yang kita apa atas, kan ni lah council yang ini, baik, bu hai lo ni mentai wo. Rule boy pha ya futulok ya pa ya lai tolok Andre the long run do dal rit do ndam bi bay dai lu kam tam mo ini ki program isan yo me do ini buat gini ay ini to di program ini det lu dua na ba kum sa to e de sto do dia ini kum sa to ore di der koman kom ini program custom yang ini tidak bu bay ini cuma yang kita minta dengan kata yang ngapa waktu yang isi kayak gitu mau enak Jadi kita New York itu support ni, hai para kata dengan buat mana jihad. This is what saya suka sih.
Ustaz Salman Sah, jadi itu orang principal secretary yang di government wa point do teman iya ke yang kalau mesti digi ka proposal ke. Boleh sih kia proposal yang pi boleh depan ini tua ni untuk jauh. Principal secretary ni tahu boleh ini. iwan haka ni proposal yang empat. Wei waderai le apa isi wa na council imsem website ka. Te la da dia wo tunggu wo mem onga che da tunggu yo principal secretary kwaj yang keteka al kompelai paisa di kling dia. Keten imem di yo imgi man mai yo la. Ten yang wa tunggu baik ka kan imgi wo kama. Andai haka ni proposal imem pa ni kamu hak agreement UNC wadawu yo terus betul. Terajan kat kamu ya kelamu yang pembaca kenijan hai temlek iki mambu kan ten ba ulek di kam gini gini kuat kan gini ko pandai iki umpan di tengah raya melek.
Agni ko porianya nyau sebentar kamu percaya ke tu di pensiun nak leong fiam yang brom yogi ya ke tu ke draft kepada tu ki jaga komiti kepada thung dekat state government Andre hab you kunmo wakam konsul kamu elko leboi do ika ketika aktuani ketika sejak pak te i neva hab ile kunmo iki snem tu dekat di 90s di kendai klay Aku tu kepuar ngarang manuk kau kena skor. Yang bui perlu dua kerek ke forest department. Man ketiak kedok guna. Wanung setausak yang ngat kedok. Yang dia kedok untuk wayu ukrek ke forest department. Cek ke kamu kendok. Aku tu kepuar tu fully controlled by the consul. Ke consul wa ya ke state government ya ke share nama kelakit 40% atau 30% mengambil pemubahan. Andre de kampung ada tukar ni Islam. State government jobang ko ini. Him apa dekat. Kesuban ban dekat state government ni Asia. Dekat state government ni Asia dia disebut sulbi. Nelor ni ke share la man ko kian ba. Tapi waktu dia man ko suka persen ma dan mek dah kerja tu buat persen. Kenapa dia dah? Nadu ke definition yang berdasarkan sulap yang ini. Kemudian kau tu hak iu kunmo, itu yo iya kabur, autonomy power. Kau suncar. Ini yo iya ketika kabur suncar, ada iya. Tetapi lada kami, lada dia atau state government, ciumgo. Kampan dia mah boleh silat kampen. Neva keperatuan yang konstitusional penggenmu kui wa buar yang gubernur buar yang gubernur lari mesti apa kui cami untuk wahak you fight back with the state government nombor daya tengkuk begitu tahap cimi terus kui kuat uban lari ke state government Keluar ku yarap jika konsul biyangi. Hai itu organik financial crisis. Lembaga finance department yui. Wa di kentin juang kami. Ke finance department ye ku receipt ya ke state fund dan ye ke central fund. Ye pair ku sutulak dan ye ke fund le ke sarkar Meghalaya kuat ko yarap ke konsul biyangi.
Wah. Happy hubungi kami yang apa kejeng share nih kejeng man menikah terap yo man terap i. We kamu ongi ke sampuram hai ke state korban yaitu wabin kopi. Tang kejeng kali wabi baca haji bin yang i. Orang letak we kata. Tangan advance share full masuk dapat tak. Kurang gitu gitu nak itu budget for share waktu sekarang komiti berok. Tadi gitu irap simple solution advance ha waktu nanti langsung betul simple dat rekam. Temut tahu ya chong itu roh atau tahu bond agreement atau bond roh something behind the scene waktu iri yang hadin. Nah ketua yang isi yang manusia lagi kita juga behind the scene jiwa lebih di talk jiwa kaman jiwa wong jauh jiwa itu jadi apa itu jauh kenang yo menjadi koman kamu membantu man kerap hadir. Mie cim antara dengan di lebih tentang cim kerja di baru kami. With this view, we can have a motion.